Hey, what's happening, guys? It's Luke from BJJ Escapes here. You're about to watch the techniques that were taught to us by Owen Livesey at one of our previous BJJ Escapes events in Thailand. I hope you enjoy.
Okay, just bring it round. A bit more on the feet again today. So we're going to start as a warm-up. It'll be a 4-minute warm-up drill. Yeah. First one, 1 minute, wrist control sparring. This will be something we do most days. Yeah. So you did this last night if you were here. We're both fighting wrestling stance. We cannot use anything other than our hands. No knees to break grips. So I'm just using hands, as is my partner. We're aiming for a wrist each, keeping hold of them, or 2 hands on 1 wrist. If you win the grip, keep it. Yeah, it's only to work your grip this and just develop your grip strength and improve your wrist grips. Yeah, we're going to both be fighting to control both wrists or 2 hands on 1. Get it, keep it. It's his problem if he can't get it off. It's his job to break the grip, strip them and get on yours. Yeah. 1 minute round only. After that, my partner's going to grab one of my legs because we're going to focus on a single leg today. He's just going to lift it, just go from my ankle, Mitch. That's it, and he just lifts it. Now the challenge here isn't to make me fall over, yeah? I'm just going to tell him how high, so he can go a bit higher, mate, a bit higher. There you go, yeah? Now he's just going to move me around slowly in all directions. He can push me, he can pull me, he can circle. He's going to go 30 seconds on 1 leg. Yeah, it's really important when it comes to single leg defence. Someone grabs your leg, half of the problem is when you've got shit balance and you're not used to playing in this position. We'll go 30 seconds this leg, I'll take it out, we'll go 30 seconds this leg. Then we'll go back into wrist control sparring for a minute. Next time through, 30 seconds on Mitch's leg, 30 seconds on his other, and then we're done with a warm-up. Yeah, so it's a 1 minute wrist control round, 30 seconds on each leg, just hopping. We're challenging your partner, but not so he falls over. Yeah, 30 seconds each leg. 1 minute round, wrist control, partner then goes 30 seconds each leg. Warm up done and we'll get into some drills. Yeah? Let's go. Latch straight onto my neck, go into what we've already done, or other things from the front headlock. So I need to get some sort of reaction before I get to a single leg, and one way I can do that, there's loads of ways we can do it. One way we can do it though is a snap down, a failed snap down. So first we're going to look at a snap down from an outside tie. So if you were here last night, everything we did in terms of wrestling was from an inside tie, yeah? From the outside tie, realistically, there's only a couple of things I can do. I have a couple of snap down options, I have some throw by options, I have simple entries to underhooks, yeah? Tonight we're just going to use one outside tie with the snap. So I'm going to go, my hand's on his shoulder here. Now what's key is that I bring his weight to his toes. So what I do with this every single time before I do a snap down, I need to go 1 step back and just pull on his head. So just get his weight into his toes. Now my left hand's going to go from the shoulder and it's going to be like this. It's going to slide straight down to his bicep. And as it slides, I'm going to step my right foot back and I'm going to snap with 2 hands. I just want to get his hands to the mat, so I'll go here. And I get to my snap down, yeah? And this is all I need. I don't need anything at the end. The focus is going to be when this fails next and we just use it to clear the tie, we can enter a single leg off the back of it. Because it's so simple, you can hit this both sides. So if he comes out left collar tie, I'm going to match his collar tie. This hand's just an outside tie, I'm just putting it on his shoulder. I can move around with him. Whenever I'm ready, I'm going to go 1 pull first, put his weight in his toes. Now the hand slides from the shoulder to the elbow, and I'm going to snap with 2 hands at the same time. Here, whichever hand's on the collar, that shoulder meets the neck. Other hands on the elbow, exactly like we did last night, yeah? Then we just go back to the other side. We have the same collar tie hand, outside tie, move around nice and relaxed. Whenever you're ready, 1 pull, snap, shoulder meets his neck. Good position. That shoulder is on the ball on his neck every time. Go to the other side. I'm just moving with him, nice and relaxed. Whenever I'm ready, 1 pull, snap. And move this foot back and 2 hands go down. Yeah. Nice, mate, love it.
Just with Southpaw versus Orthodox, exactly the same setup still? No,
yeah,
no
mate, yeah. All that's important with this is you match the collar tie. So you take any stance you want and put a collar tie on me.
Yeah.
So now I'll have to go this hand collar tie.
Just take that.
Footwork don't matter, I'll be here.
It's exactly the same.
Pull and I'll snap it.
Yeah.
Now, just get used to clearing the tie and snatching from seam on the leg. Collar, back at the same side, I look at the front leg, and snatch it up, put his weight on his back foot. And then go the other side. There. Ready, and then there, hold, snap, there, look at the front leg, run into it, snap it up. Go 3 to 3. Yeah?
Do you have a preferred way of grabbing?
I do, mate. So when I grab this leg, the arm in the front, I'll go through. So I'll go here.
Okay.
Grab.
Outside arm grabbing.
Yeah. When I'm here, I'll go snap. As you come up, I'll go 1, 2, stand behind you.
Okay.
Yeah.
I want my leg deep.
Exactly. Like you're sitting on your knees, so I'll go from here, I'll go snap, 1, as she comes up, I'll go 1, 2. Yeah. Yeah, there you go, better, good, better. Same position, I'm going to go 1. I'm going to hit the snap, just manage to clear the tie. As he postures up, I'm going to go middle, step behind, deep. Turn his weight onto his back foot. Now I'm going to step round to the left foot. I'm going to keep everything in his chest, push it into his chest. Here. Not going to let go of it. See, on landing, I beat his knee line straight away. Yeah? That's the key. I want to keep on top of it, beat the knee line. If he keeps his knee on this side, start working straights and get his own attacks off. Beat that knee line as quick as we can. Look to get chest to chest. Hold the line and trap the ankle. Now the elbow will slow. Forward, clear the side. Attacking the knee leg. Weight on the back foot, move it. Yeah. Go. Club this knee to make him look away. And now I can go chasing the hips. Yeah? That's one simple option. Now, when I do this, I need to grab the heel. If I'm lazy and I grab the calf, when I step my leg off here, he just gets the knee shield. I can't do anything about it. When I grab his heel, try to get a knee shield, I'm not going to be able to. I'm running it down the pipe, drag a step back, just follow it. Yeah. Now I have a body lock, same rule applies to turn the hip. You don't like that one, run it down the pipe, drag, body lock. Step with the front leg, and knee in the hamstring. You can see there some here, just a couple here, are doing like running it down the pipe from a good position. So I'm here, and as I'm running it down the pipe, watch me head. Some people are doing this. Yeah, I just lose all my power. So the head being in front of the chest, not only so he can't get an headlock on me, I can actually use that to drive him over as well. I'm gonna run, and I'm gonna lift this high. Boom. So I run, lift it high, so I can step in. Boom. Yeah, so I go here. Boom. As you have that knee shield, I'm gonna run. And I'm in there. Yeah. This leg behind this leg, just not worth it for the sake of a tap in sparring. If you get behind someone, so if I manage to get to a body lock and Mitch loses his whizzer and I get here, this is good. Put him on the mat, but you stay on your feet. Yeah, none of that where we're dropping through knees. Yeah, like nobody should get injured in this 2 weeks that we're here or 1 week that we're here. Yeah, so spar hard, but be mindful. Yeah, like no dangerous techniques at all. Work that single leg, work your control, work clever techniques down the pipe, body lock, using your feet, not fall into your ass if you've got hold of him. If you're going to put him down, you put him down and you be on top of him. No flopping underneath him, diving on his knees. You take your partner down, switch over. So if I start on Mitch's leg, I take him down. What I need to do is secure the takedown. Yeah? So if I run Mitch down the pipe, here, and he gets up, that's not a win. Yeah? I need to take him down, secure position, side mount, back. Yeah? So if I take Mitch down and he bounces to turtle, keep going. In a tournament, you won't get points for that. Yeah? Get side mount or back, and that's a win. If Mitch has my leg and I escape, I've won. Yeah? So you secure a takedown or your partner escapes. Whenever someone wins, the other person grabs the single. Yeah? It'll only be short. We'll do a 90-second round. We'll do 3 of these with 3 different partners, and we'll do open sparring. Yeah? Let's go. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Just practice. No competition. Perfect first round, 30 seconds rest. New partner, 2 more later. In 30 seconds, 1 more round like that. New partner. Going in 10 seconds. Let's go. Nice, mate. Good work. Good work. Cheers, mate. Thank you. Thought you were falling over there, mate.
That's all right.
Cheers, mate.
Thank you.
Cheers, pal. Thank you. Thank you, mate. Cheers, pal. Thank you, mate.
Thanks, brother.
Thanks, mate. Thank you. Cheers, mate. Cheers, mate. Thank you. Thank you.
Cheers.
Cheers, mate. Thank you. Thanks, mate. Cheers. Thanks, mate. Thank you, mate. Cheers, pal. Thanks, mate. Thanks, mate. Nice one. Cheers, pal. Thank you. Thank you. Cheers, mate. Thank you. Oh, Big Mitch. Thanks, mate. Cheers, mate. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks, mate. Cheers, pal. Thank you. Cheers, mate. Thank you.
Good session.
Cheers, mate.
Righto guys, that's the end of the technique video for the day. I hope you enjoyed it and got some good takeaways from it. If you ever want to jump on board a future BJJ Escapes event, head over to our website or check out our Instagram page. We run events all throughout the year in a few locations internationally. Hope to see you on one of the events sometime soon. Cheers.